Hello my friends, in this video we will see Bainbridge mass spectrometer isotopic masses. Bainbridge mass spectroscope is a very accurate instrument for determining atomic masses. A schematic diagram of the spectrometer is shown in figure 8.2. Atoms with one or more electrons removed have a net positive charge that therefore become positive ions. A beam of positive ions from a discharge tube collimated into a fine beam by two narrow slits S1 and S2. A narrow ion beam from S1 and S2 enters the velocity selector. The velocity selector allows the ion beam of a particular velocity to pass through another slit S3. The velocity selector consists of a uniform electric and magnetic fields at right angles to each other and to the direction of the beam. Let capital E and capital B be the density of electric and magnetic fields and E be the charge of each ion. The force exerted by an electric field equal to capital E into small e and force exerted by a magnetic field equal to capital B into E into V, where V is the velocity of the beam. The two forces are made equal so that the ions do not suffer any deflection within the velocity selector, that is capital E into E equal to small e into capital B into V. So small v equal to capital E divided by B. Only the ions having the velocity equal to capital E divided by B passes through the velocity selector and then through the slit S3. The ions having the same velocity V equal to capital E divided by capital B emerging from velocity selector through S3 are subjected to a uniform magnetic induction B prime at right angles to the plane of the paper. These ions are made to travel in circular paths due to this magnetic field by equating the magnetic force B prime into E into V with centrifugal force, that is capital B prime into E into V equal to m V square divided by capital R. Small m equal to capital B prime into R into E divided by V, substituting the value of V equal to capital E divided by capital B. M equal to capital B into B prime into R into E divided by capital E. The ions, after traversing a semicircular path in the magnetic field, strike the photographic plate and a dark line is produced on the plate. The distance between the opening and the position of a dark line gives 2r, from which capital R can be calculated. Since Q, capital B into V into and R are known, the mass of the ion M can be calculated.